have come to the tail end of tonight's show, but in the spirit of getting loose, we want to try something out. I want to check how alive this party still is. Wishers, if you're having a great time, everybody say, hey! Let's go. Before we get to our last cluster of awards, let's first give a special recognition to our Wishers' Choice.
This award is given to the nominee with the highest number of votes across all categories.
Correct, Zil. This is such a huge milestone, considering that for the 10th WMAs, we garnered a record-breaking number of votes from our online and on-ground voting, which is nearly 3.9 million. Sino sa tingin niyo ang Wishers' Choice?
It's now time to reveal the winner. And the Wishers' Choice is...
Stella!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Again, I am very honored and very happy to be receiving this award tonight. Di pa rin po talaga ako makapaniwala na umaakyat na po ako ng stage. Astel, nasanay po ako nakasama yung mga kapatid ko, but tonight, I'm very happy and standing here very proud. And kiniklaim ko na po na si Stella isa na po talagang solo artist. Maraming salamat po sa buong pusong pagtitiwala at pagsusuporta niyo po sa akin. Again, thank you so much Warner Music Philippines for believing in me. And hindi ko po siya napasalamatan kanina, pero maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng iyong napakagandang awitin, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. Napakaswerte ko po na mabuhay sa panahon na to na masulatan ng isang Ryan Cayabyab. Kaya kung bibigyan po ako ng chance mabuhay ulit, ulitin ko po ang buhay na meron ako ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Yes, Wish, maraming salamat. Keep on wishing dahil ako po ay hindi natatapos mangarap. After po nito, may bago po akong pangarap. Hindi ko na po hahabaan ang speech ko dahil antok na po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Dadalhin ko po ito kahit saan po ako magpunta, kaya sana po naka-ready ang mga cellphones nyo. Maraming salamat po. I love you so much! Thank you! Thank you, 18! I love you so much!
Congratulations, Stella, on winning that very special recognition. Now, one of the highlights of the evening, we will proceed with our last set of awards.
Noong 2021, natanggap ko po ang Wish Breakthrough Artist of the Year Award. Hanggang ngayon, Wish Breakthrough pa rin ako. Underrated pa rin. At sa gabing ito, i-recognize natin muli ang mga pinakamagagaling sa eksena.
Yes, sir. We're starting off with the artists who achieved a major breakthrough in the past year.
Ito ang mga nominees para sa Wish Breakthrough Artist of the Year.
Wish Breakthrough Artist of the Year: Dianella, Diwata, Jika Marie, Maki, Stella.
Breakthrough Artist of the Year is...
na-enjoy ko po yung pakiramdam. Again, thank you so much po sa mga taong naniniwala. Yung last year po talagang napakaraming blessings ang dumating sa buhay ko. Nakapag-perform po ako kung saan-saan, naparinig ko po ang boses ko at marami po akong nagawang bagay na hindi ko ina-expect na kaya ko palang gawin. Dahil po yun sa tiwala at pagmamahal nyo, kaya maraming salamat po. Ngayong taon po, sana po makapagawa po ako ng mga bagay na hindi rin natin ina-expect. Pero mas i-expect nyo po na mas makakasama ko ang brothers ko this year dahil ito na po yung taon na inaantay nyong makita ulit kami. Again, papasalamatan ko na po lahat ng taong sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa amin, lalo na po sa akin, of course, 1Z Entertainment. Maraming salamat. My brothers, SB19, my family, my mom, my dad, my lolo, my lola, mga kapatid ko, my friends na lagi nandyan for me, and of course, Warner Music Philippines, thank you so much, mahal na mahal ko kayo. And of course, ang nagtitiwala rin sa SB19 sa amin, Miss Ross, maraming salamat po, thank you so much for supporting us all the way. And sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Wish, maraming salamat po. Kaya po nasabi ko kanina, patuloy po ako mangangarap kasama kayong lahat. And itong award na to ay tatanawin ko pong malaking utang na loob sa inyo dahil binigyan niyo po sa akin ito dahil naniniwala kayo sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you.
Congratulations, Steph! You will also get a cash prize of 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be given to Center for Excellence in Special Education, Stepping Stone Foundation Incorporated, courtesy of Sunlight.
And now it's time to meet our Wish Group of the Year.
You are the nominees for Wish Group of the Year.
Wish Group of the Year. Beanie, Kapanjal, Dilaw, Over October, SB19.
Wishers, who do you think it is?
And the Wish Group of the Year is Four of Spades. Joke lang.
We just hear a teaser. Seriously though, the Wish Group of the Year is Beanie!
Accepting the award on behalf of Beanie are Naomi Enriquez, Head International Marketing and Partnership ABS-CBN Music, and Andy Arellano, Junior Label Head, ABS-CBN Music.
Once again, on behalf of Beanie, maraming salamat po sa Wish Music Awards for this incredible recognition. Of course, we would like to thank their fans, their supporters, Blooms, for making this possible and for making this happen. We would also like to thank ABS-CBN, Star Magic, and Star Music.
Yun po, maraming salamat sa Wish. Simula pa lang nagsisimula ang Beanie, andun na yung Wish para sa kanila. Thank you for giving them a platform. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat ulit for making Beanie your Group of the Year. Marami pa po silang gagawin this year. Sana po masamahan niyo po sila. Salamat po. Mabuhay ang OPM.
Congratulations, Beanie! They will also receive a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be donated to Enhancing, Nurturing, Disciplining, Empowering, Restoring Daycare Incorporated, IT Tender, courtesy of Sunlight.
And now for our final award for the night, Wishers. Handa na ba kayong malaman kung sining Wish Artist of the Year?
here are the nominees for Wish Artist of the Year.
Wish Artist of the Year. Philip. Janine. Pablo. DJ Montero. Tony J.
And the Wish Artist of the Year is...
Pablo.
Accepting the award on behalf of Pablo are Leia Gonzalez, Artist Manager, 1Z Entertainment, and Irmay Ledesma, Marketing and Accounts Director, 1Z Entertainment.
Pablo couldn't make it tonight, but he left a message for us to read to everyone. So he said, first off, I want to thank Wish Music Awards for creating a platform that celebrates and uplifts OPM artists. It is truly an honor to be part of a community where music connects us all. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko to ina-expect kasi lahat ng nominated deserving manalo. Gayunpaman, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. Magbigyan man ng recognition o hindi, patuloy akong gagawa ng mga awitin.
And para sa lahat ng mga hotdog! AD! Maraming salamat sa buhay niyo to 1Z Entertainment, SB19. As we always say, atin to. This achievement is as much yours as it is mine. This one is for all of us. Let's go!